about 60 hertz. That's kilohertz. Next time you take a capture, I want you to disconnect your power supply. I don't know what frequency it works at, but if you come in here, you see that repetition. This is unfiltered, but if you come in here, right, and I don't know what it operates at, but this is at like 3 kilohertz. So it's at 3.4 something kilohertz. So that might be the reason why you're getting this such a noisy signal. Just give that a try next time. And this is actually what I wanted to show. I had to redo it because I forgot to do it, but if you lock it, move them, you see they all line up. So it's very repetitious. So this is some interference causing all the noise in your signals. So right here, see I'm moving it around. And just in case you didn't know, you got a little lock feature you can do. You can lock, and it'll lock them together. You probably know that, but anyway. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm pretty bored. So, where's the other end? Okay. This is the power supply to my Dell laptop. Alright, I got it on the outside there, ground side. And I have it set the frequency. I did put the time base down, but that didn't really show anything. Okay, now I got that in there. I don't think any of this time-based stuff matters on this particular thing. But I got 3.5 kilohertz, and that's pretty close what I saw in your waveforms there. I don't know if we have the same power supply, but I believe it probably is. All right, I got my filter on there, and yeah, you can see it a little bit. You can see like I'm not exactly sure how accurate this is because when I pull it out, it's still showing, and then when I plug this back in, sometimes it'll be a different frequency. Now I don't exactly know how well it's working. This probably isn't the best tool for it. A pico would be much more effective. And I'll tell you what else would be more effective if I had like using a vice to hold stuff. Vase, not vice. Alright. 2.6 now is a multimeter, so it's more stable than that, it seems. But yeah, it's just under 3 hertz. I'm sorry, 3 kilohertz. 2.59K, so just about.